Let's be honest, you probably heard people say YouTube can make you rich. But then you start and you are like, wait, how exactly does this money thing work? Well, today I'm not just going to be listing methods, I'm going to be showing you real ways YouTubers make money in 2025. Most beginners think they need millions of views to make decent money, but the truth is you only need strategy. And if you stay till the end, I'm going to tell you one method most beginners sleep on, but this could be the biggest cash flow. And our big first bank is going to be YouTube ad revenue. This is when your channel hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. YouTube lets you apply for the YouTube Partner Program. That's when they start placing ads on your videos and boom, you start getting paid per 1,000 views, which is CPM, cost per mil. And this is a campaign commonly used by brands to reach out to a broader audience. Now here's the catch. In 2025, niche matters a lot. If you don't know what a niche is, it's the category that fits the kind of content that you want to create. And even though there's a niche for everyone, not all niches are profitable based on the CPM. Because advertisers are the ones paying, they might put a lot of money on a video in a large niche, but will just drop a few amounts of money on a video talking about garden. A channel about luxury or finance today might get you a $15 CPM, while entertainment or memes get you $2 to $4. So a finance video with 100,000 views and a video in the meme niche with 100,000 views would definitely not get the same amount of money at the end of the day. So think ahead. The more your content attracts people with buying power, the more advertisers are willing to pay. But don't stop there. Let's move to something you can start using immediately even before getting monetized. But before we continue, if you are not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that anytime I post a new content, you'll be the first to know about it. The next amazing money maker in 2025 is affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing are a beginner's best friend. It's basically you advertising brands to others without moving to their house or following them with a physical product. Now here's how it works. You sign up for a free affiliate platform like Amazon Associate or even a specific brand. You usually find an affiliate partnership link at the bottom of the platform's page. Then you get your own custom link for your product, and should someone buy through your link, you get a commission for it. So let's say you are doing a video on the best phone accessories. All you have to do is you drop your affiliate link in the description, and that video can keep earning you money for months or even years. In fact, some small creators are making more from affiliate links than AdSense. Just make sure to tell your viewers it's an affiliate link because transparency builds trust. Now let's talk about turning your loyal audience into customers. And this will take us to the third one, which is merchandise. I know you might be thinking I'm not a celebrity, who's going to buy my merch? But listen, people don't buy merch because of fame. They buy it because of a connection. If you have built a community, even a small one, and you have got a fun catchphrase, a slogan or an aesthetic, you can turn that into a t-shirt, mugs, or tote bags. Just print that fun slogan on them and sell it. And I don't mean doing the printing yourself or designing yourself. You can literally use AI to generate all these designs and use platforms like Printify to upload them, sell and even deliver your designs to the person without any stress. Just get your design and earn per sale. And here's the secret, even when you own merch in your videos, subtly reminds people it exists, which is a very smart thing to do. Now let's move to a feature YouTube built just for creators like you. YouTube community subscriptions. This is for those who have built a ride or die audience. They offer the chance to their community to have a tag as part of the community membership. It's like Patreon but built straight into YouTube. Viewers can pay a small monthly fee to become a member, and in return, you give them exclusive perks like behind the scenes of your video taking, early uploads, members only live streams, or even custom emojis in live chat. Even if just 50 people pay $499 a month, that's about $250 every month recurring. And you know what the added bonus is? It builds a strong community culture, which makes your viewers even more loyal to you. Now, what if you have created something and you want to help others learn it? Then you want to take advantage of the next method, which is selling courses. One of the biggest money makers in 2025 is turning your knowledge into a digital course. Let's say you are great at editing videos, graphic design, or even budgeting. Package that into a simple course and sell it through platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or even a Stan Store. You can even offer a mini course for free and grow your email list and upsell the full course later. Now this is the beautiful thing. You record once and it sells over and over again. And YouTube becomes your free marketing machine, funneling the right people straight into your course page. Now this is the bonus tip most beginners overlook, turning one channel into multiple streams of income. Most beginners think they need millions of views to make decent money, but the truth is you only need strategy. Now I want you to imagine this. One video earns you ad revenue. The link in the description earns you affiliate commission. Your merch is featured in the video. Your top fans subscribe to your channel and your course is linked as a solution to their problem. Now that's one piece of content, but 5 income streams. That is how smart creators win in 2025. Not by working harder, but by building an income around their content. If this video was insightful, don't just click away because this is where most people live and never take action. But you are definitely not most people. So start today with one method and build from there. And if you want a full breakdown of each income stream, hit the subscribe button and comment breakdown and add the points you want me to fully break down, and I will do that for you. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you also want an easy way to make money online, then watch this next video.